April 10 na ang deadline pero wala pang may-ari ng corner lot na to. Listen carefully. This is a bank foreclosed property in Barangay Salinas 1, Bacoor, Cavite. Corner lot, mas malaki, mas premium, mas mataas value. Bidding until April 10, 5 p.m. only. 20,000 reservation fee para makasali. As is where is. Ibig sabihin kapag hindi ka nakasubmit before deadline, sayang ang opportunity. Ito yung details. Lot area, 93 square meter. Malaki na. Floor area, 39.95 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Corner lot plus malaking lupa equals perfect for expansion or investment. Starting bidding price, 3,400,554. At dahil bidding ito, may chance ka pang makuha below market value. Pero tandaan, deadline na April 10 hanggang 5 p.m. lang. Ito sample computation. 20% down payment, 680,108.80. 80% balance, 2,720,435.20. 15 years to pay, monthly around 30,000 to 33,000 per month. Estimated required income, 80,000 to 100,000 per month. Household income. Pwede combine income para mas mataas approval. Transfer of title is not included. As is where is. Need actual viewing. Bidding, hindi guaranteed kailangan strategic ang offer, pero tutulungan namin kayo from viewing hanggang submission. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng corner lot na may malaking lupa, April 10, 5 p.m. deadline. Don't miss this. 20,000 lang para makasali sa bidding. Message now bago malate. Free house tour assistance available. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!